In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to get perfect audio levels for YouTube in Premiere Pro without overcomplicating things. First, make sure the Essential Sound panel is open by going to Window and selecting Essential Sound. Once it's here, select your voiceover track and make sure it's set to Dialogue. If it isn't, just clear the existing audio type and choose it. After that, go to Loudness and click Auto Match to balance the audio levels. Now, if you have background music like I do, select the track and make sure it's set to Music. And just like before, click on Auto Match to keep the levels balanced as well. For my tutorials, I like to keep background music low, so I will lower the clip volume by an extra 15 decibels. Alternatively, you can also add this simple parametric EQ effect with these settings to suppress distracting frequencies in the music and bring more clarity to the voice. Now, when exporting for YouTube, it's important to meet YouTube's loudness standards. So in Export Settings, scroll down to the Effects tab and enable Loudness Normalization. Then set Loudness Standard to ITU, target loudness to -14 LUFS, tolerance to 0 and max true peak level to -1. Once exported, your audio should be perfectly balanced for YouTube. And if you want to take it a step further, then check out my Premiere Pro Essential presets pack in the description. It includes professional audio and video presets designed to speed up your editing workflow. Alright, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.